If you're new, overall welcome. And this is my first video doing a katana sword restoration, and I'm going to be walking you guys through everything. Please don't be too judgy because I know nothing about what I'm doing, but just stick with me guys. We're going to figure it out and we're going to get this thing looking really good. It is for sale possibly, and as I said again, it's a real katana sword, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can tell. So for the sword itself, matter of fact, let me not start with the sword. So we're going to start with this right here, which is a hole. Well, some people call it the holder, but it's actually called a saya, and that's used to obviously house the sword. And the English name for it is called a scabbard. Yep. And you can see the beautiful work of art here, but you can see cracks as well going down, and that's what we're going to be restoring mainly. The blade itself, which is the sword, it does need some form of restoration too, but that's like kind of light work compared to what it needs to get. And for this, if the ropes are not too thin like shoes laces, then it's a real katana. Also, where is it? You can use, where is it? There should be a hole here or somewhere here. Yep, that it would go right here, or I think it's a long way. Yeah, and this is another good indication that it's a real katana sword. Now for the blade itself, you can see that the guard right here is metal, and the other name for that is called a teshuba, the guard. And yeah, the other ones that you order, which are the fake ones, those are not metal, those are plastic. Another thing again that you can look at is the wrapping. Let me see, the cord wrap, again, if it's thick like the one that is on the saya, then it will definitely indicate that it's a real katana. Also, if the wrapping is tightly wrapped and not easily moved, yes, that also indicates that it's a real katana. So the biggest thing that we want to do is to get this part here, which is the guard, painted and back in proper working condition. So overall guys, as I said, I want to get it back into proper working condition, looking good, fully functional, but also a centerpiece or a display piece for your house. We have sandpaper here that we're going to be using, and we'll be starting off with I would believe it's the 100 grade, because right up onto 240 it gets really almost down to nothing. Those are the ones that I have for now, but I don't believe it needs more sanding than that. It's just to get the paint off and what have you. So turn on the post notification bell if you're liking this content guys, if you like restoration projects. And again, I will not only be restoring swords, I will be restoring anything that catches my hand, and overall it's just something that I want to get into. So we're going to go ahead now and try to see if we can strip the paint off of the saya and see what happens. Seems like I might have to get something a little bit more heavy duty. So as you can see, I've made some progress with the sanding. It's not looking too bad. However, guys, it's gonna take some work, and as I said before, this thing does need some TLC. But so far so good. I was trying to get this part smooth, so when I spray it, it won't be showing or anything like that. So let's get back to it and get her smooth guys. Yep. so we might have to leave it there. Not really too heavy duty, because I said it's not in too much of a bad condition, guys, but you know, just wanted to give you guys a first sneak peek of the project. Didn't really plan to get into it, but you know, decided to start it out and stuff. So glad you guys decided to join. Again, turn on the post notification bell to be notified, and that's it.